As in exercise 5.21, if the speed of the stone is increased beyond the maximum permissible value and the string breaks suddenly, which of the following statement is correctly describes the trajectory of the stone after the string breaks? Is it A, that the stone moves radially outwards? The stone should move in the direction of the velocity at that instant. Since the velocity is tangential at that moment, so the stone will not move radially outwards. The next option is, will the stone fly off tangentially from the instant the string breaks? This statement is correct, as the direction of velocity is at the instant of the breaking of string and is tangential. Thus the string will move tangentially. Another option is that the stone flies off at an angle with the tangent whose magnitude depends on the speed of the particle. The direction of the velocity at the instant of breakage of the string is tangential, so the stone will fly tangentially. Hence, the given statement is also false.